Hi guys, it's your girl Chichi again. Thank you so much for the love. Like, I wasn't expecting that. I never knew you guys love me this much. Thank you, and I love you too. So I'll be going through some of your comments while I was in the house, and I'll be responding to that. Phyna, being a hype woman is a hustle. It puts food on her table. It helps her send money home. Anyone coming to body shame her or make it look like she doesn't deserve the best things is simply stupid and foolish. And yeah, I'm talking to Chichi and Bella. How about now? What's in the happen? Phyna na my G, na my guy, na my sister with that. So I don't even understand. Please, nobody should just take that the wrong way. I wish her the best. I love the fact that a woman got to win, and it's my roomie, my best friend, my sweetheart. So, next one. Big brother said, Chichi, you are allowed to act stupid. I knew Wahala was coming. What kind of nonsense is Chichi shouting for? Hey, if I don't shout, now you help me do my shouting. See, look at when I won the Supreme Veto thing. Imagine I didn't do that shouting thing. Maybe I wouldn't have won. So the shouting helps me. You can keep cool, but as for me, I go yield. See Chichi calling someone a witch. Who witch pass you, Chichi? If you be woman, why didn't you talk to Bella face when she was around? Lol. She no fear you, that's why she was walking in front of your face, but you couldn't say a word. So, madam, stop ranting. Rest, Chichi. You two rest in Jesus' name. Whatever that happened in the house, you don't know how the house is. I beg. I chose not to respond. No be say I no fit talk. Me, I get word from mouth too. It's how Chichi and more of her bonding through doing two liars. They definitely deserve each other. Okay, but I'm not a liar. We are not lying. Deji and Chichi are liars, and they deserve each other. Wow. Ambulance. I never knew, like, why do you think I'm a liar? Or we are lying and we deserve each other? Anyway, I'm not a liar. Neither were we lying, and whatever we felt was mutual. So guys, that's all the comment for now. Love and light from your baby girl, the bad bee. You know, expect the same energy. I love you, love and light.